actually came here with a guy with an Uber, and we had a conversation. He's Ubering with someone else's car. I told him I've got a Kia Picanto for sale, so he's paying like 2.5 for this car. It's someone else's car, whereas this one's installment is like 3.5. So never know, maybe it's a deal, and that's why it's good to chat and talk to everyone. So there's my guy Andre. Hopefully gonna sort him out. So yeah, let's get on with what we need to do. Plates on the car quickly. Obviously the number plate and license test wasn't on the car while the car was standing here. So yeah, let's go fit some tires. I'll catch you guys in good up. Hello, beautiful. I haven't seen you in a while. Cool, so we're in the Golf 7 now. The car drives very nice. It does feel weird with the spare wheel on in front, but we're gonna sort that out now. On our way to good up tires quickly, just down the main road. My camera's suction cup doesn't want to suck anymore, so I'll get one on the way back. And yeah, the car drives lekker. Definitely feels like a Golf 7. It's soft, it's smooth. Big difference compared to the R32 obviously, but it's two different cars. But yeah, like I mentioned in the previous video as well, for 2013 model car with this type of mileage and in this condition, I think this is an absolutely stunning car. I was actually excited to go fetch the car at Wingfield, I'm not gonna lie. This video will be live on Thursday night. Then on Sunday night, I'll do a full cost of ownership breakdown, including servicing, insurance, possible installments. Installments is obviously based on personal affordability, but I will do a full cost review for cost of ownership of a Golf 7 GTI and whether it's still worth buying one in today's day and age. So stay tuned for that one, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys at Good Up Tires. Hi. So now we need a battery. And I had a good feeling I need to bring these with me today. Thank goodness. The GTI's battery is flat and I'm taking all to battery center quickly, which is thankfully just 2 minutes further down. There we go. So let's get the battery. So this was the expense that we didn't feel like doing, but fun times, guys. Now we walk back to Good Up Tires to fit the battery. So the guy from battery centers is changing the battery quickly. Out of the old. In with the new. Cool, and she's got life again. So I'll obviously add that to the cost of ownership video as well. And again, that is why that just looks nasty. The battery's in. Cool, so showed you guys this in the previous video. Whatever stays should be there. Again, another trick for free. So that's what this wheel looks like that is on the car. If you guys guys saw when we inspected this car, this tire was already moved. Now it's just done. So we are replacing both. Doesn't make sense just to replace one tire. This one is also wear and tear and probably I don't know how old, so it just makes sense because the car's now gonna go for wheel alignment as well. So yeah, so you can see this tires had its days and the car will drive much better now with the other tire on as well. So we're done with you. So that's what the rear tires look like. Hey, still got a long way to go. And that's the car's brake test. As you can see, there's not even a reach there. Brake pads, nice and fat. Guys, I'm with Yasin here from Good Hope Tires. He's going to explain to you guys why it's important to do wheel alignment on a car.
Basically, it is just to make sure that your car is running straight and to make sure that your wheels isn't getting off unevenly. And yeah, because if you're doing new wheels, you don't want your wheels to run off unevenly. So just to make sure the suspension is still solid on the car and everything is running straight and smoothly.
Appreciate it, Yasin. So we are all done at Good Hope Tires. The experiment was a bit more expensive than what I anticipated. That is purely because of the battery. So as I pulled up there, I parked the car because I needed to do something else today. So I thought I'd just go inquire the pricing and then I will leave there to come back 2 or 3 hours later because I'm busy streaming at this point in time. I'll be done by the time you guys saw this. So parked the car very close to where they do wheel alignment, and then as I wanted to leave, the battery was flat, and of course there was a battery center 2 doors away. So the car got a brand new battery fitted. It's got 2 brand new tires now in front, so the tires are sorted. As you guys would have seen in the inspection video when I went to go view the car and test drive the car, the battery was flat. So again, just doing things the right way and making sure that the next owner doesn't have any issues. So that's also sorted out. We're driving to Paro now. So Athlon Used Spares has another branch in Paro. It's a new branch. So they have a backboard for a Golf 7. So we want to go get that one quickly. And then I'll probably have the car cleaned up because I do plan to do a full Golf 7 GTI cost of ownership video, which will drop Sunday night. This video will probably come in Thursday most likely. And yeah, I've owned 3 of these cars before in the past. One of which that I've had for a year, that was my personal vehicle, which was still the Baba. I'll put him right there. Still my favorite Golf 7 that I've had. So with having these cars, I kind of know what is the common issues, and I keep all the invoices of everything that I do in a car. So the video will be very detailed and it will have all that pricing in as well. But bear in mind, some prices may have changed, inflation and stuff do get more expensive over time. So yeah, let's take a drive down to Paro quickly. And don't forget guys, subscribe. We're almost at 1,000. By the time this video comes out, we should be over 800 because I think we're on, like, I'm actually lying, we're on 804 now if I'm not mistaken. So guys, the channel is growing, and although you might not be seeing a whole lot of car videos and stuff like that, I am doing stuff in the back and that makes the channel grow anyway. So guys, stay tuned and hopefully we'll get it back to it. So as you guys know, the Golf 7 needs a parcel shop. So I'm actually going to see if the Golf 5 one fits in there, because I've now been curious about it before I go buy one. So yeah, let's check if this fits. That looks very nice. Anyway, back to what we're busy doing. So the reason I'm doing this is because a lot of parts are compatible between cars. So let's just see if this fits today. I just realized I didn't check if they put the lock nut. Okay, perfect. They put the lock nut back. Probably gonna be impossible with a camera in my hand. Okay, so it doesn't fit, and that's the reason why. So the Golf 5 has fittings where this part lays into, where this one is different. So cool. I'm gonna have to get one for the Golf 7. So what I was referring to, this is different on the Golf 5 and the Golf 7. That's why this backboard doesn't fit. Cool, that's back where it should be. The reason why I wanted to test it was because, like I say, a lot of Golfs share different parts, and it would have probably given me more options to find a backboard if I could find one for Golf 5. But yeah, didn't work, so let's go look for one. See, I left the assets on. So yeah, we are doing everything with this car today. My errand car for the day. So my other phone holder wasn't holding selector, so let's try out this contraption. At Athlone New Space. So we got the backboard. Here's a Golf 5. Yeah, I'm just gonna see if I can't find a few loose odds and ends for my car. So yeah, there's that thing, and there's actually a backboard for a Golf 5. So you can see the difference. 5 at the bottom, 7 on top. So this one is gonna fit perfectly, and this one is in stunning condition as well. Okay, so the reason I like coming to people and businesses that break up cars when I need something is because then now I'm getting original parts. Like that backboard came out of that Golf 7, and now it's going on that Golf 7, and it's an OEM part, and that's why I like coming here. Certain stuff you obviously do buy brand new, but something like that, it's not really a crucial component for the car. It's just something that completes the car. So yeah, that's just my reasoning behind it. Just finished the gym now. Off to go wash the car and then take some more photos of the car, and then from there I'll go fetch my son at school, crash school, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I didn't do too much driving with the car today because everything was in proximity. Since I threw in fuel till now, I only drove about 20 kilometers anyway, so the fuel consumption is not that accurate right now. I will drive the car around tomorrow as well. So yeah, that's the video for today. I managed to sort everything out. The car's got the brand new battery, which I didn't expect. 2 brand new front tires. Got the backboard at the back as well. So whatever I didn't address in the previous video, where we were prepping the GTI, you guys can scroll back and see, check on the channel, you found the video. Everything was addressed in this video. So yeah, check. So like I mentioned, guys, check out the video that I'm going to upload on Saturday night. It will take you through all the cost of ownership as detailed as I possibly can, and everything is based on my experience, so that's the only perspective I can give you anyway. So that's everything that I've paid, common issues, what insurance I paid on my one. So it's a full-on cost of ownership, as well as what repair costs, common things to look out for. So yeah, look out for that video on Saturday night, probably around 6 or 7 p.m, roughly around about there, because I feel that is a sweet spot, because everybody's kind of settled in, sitting in front of the TV. So guys, make sure you tune into that video. And last but not least, guys, don't forget to subscribe. 807 at the moment, so we're almost at the 1,000 mark. So guys, hit the subscribe button, doesn't cost you anything, and it helps the channel grow. Enjoy the cinematics of the Golf 7. It's gonna go for a nice bubble bath now. Other than that, the drive-by is over.